Hello guys, if you want to play an offline couch co-op in Dynasty mode in College Football 27, it's actually very easy to set up and you can have multiple users controlling different schools on the same console. To get started, head to Dynasty from the main menu and create a new offline Dynasty by turning off Cloud Dynasty option. Now go through the normal setup process, choose your preferred settings like difficulty, conferences and gameplay options, then create your first coach and select your school. Once your dynasty has been created, open the action menu, then press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox to move over to the members tab. From here, select create new character. This lets you add another user to the same offline dynasty. Now create another coach, choose a different school and finish the setup just like you did with the first coach. Each coach has their own recruiting board, recruiting progress, coach upgrades, depth chart and team management. Everything is saved separately, so each user has their own unique dynasty experience. Whenever you want to switch between schools, return to the members tab, highlight the coach you want to control, then choose switch to this character. The first coach you created will automatically become the dynasty owner. That user can change league settings such as difficulty, quarter length and other dynasty options. Any additional coaches are added as regular members, but their roles can be changed later if needed. You can add up to 32 different users to the same offline dynasty, making it perfect for playing with friends or family on the same console. As the season progresses, each user can take turns playing games, recruiting players, editing depth charts, and making formation substitutions. All of those changes are saved individually for every coach. If two user-controlled schools play against each other, simply launch the game using one coach, then turn on a second controller before kickoff. Controller 1 will stay assigned to the coach who started the game, while Controller 2 can control the opposing team, allowing both players to compete head-to-head on the same console in Dynasty mode. And that's everything you need to know about setting up an offline couch co-op Dynasty in College Football 27. Once everything is configured, each player can build their own program, recruit their own players, and enjoy a full Dynasty together on a single console. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.